Today I'm going to show you the easiest way on how to create realistic and reflective puddles in Photoshop. First, create a new layer. Go to Filter, Render and choose the clouds. Go to Select and choose the All. Go to Edit and choose the Cut. Go to Filter and choose the Vanishing Point. Select the Plane tool. And create a grid that matches the road's perspective. Then drag the grid to match the entire side. Make sure the line is blue, not red or yellow. If it's not blue, reposition the point. Press Ctrl V to paste copied pixels. Drag the pattern and drop it on the road. Press Ctrl T to select the free transform tool. And scale the pattern any way you want. I'm going to speed this part up to save your time. Hold Alt and drag to duplicate the pattern layer. I will speed this part up to save your time. When you're done, click OK. Click on the adjustment layer icon and choose the curves. Adjust the white point to 150. Click on the adjustment layer icon and choose the levels. Adjust the midtone input level to 0.15. Select the background layer. Click on the adjustment layer icon and choose the solid color. In the color picker, choose black color. And click OK. Select the 4 layers by holding down Shift key. Press Ctrl G to group several layers into a folder group. Go to Window and choose the channel. Hold Ctrl while clicking on the RGB channel thumbnail. Click the Save Selection as channel icon. Remove selection, go to Select and choose the Deselect. Go to the Layer panel. Turn off the Group 1 layer. Press Ctrl J to make a copy of layer. Select the polygonal lasso tool. And select the road. I'm going to speed this part up to save your time. Click the Add Layer Mask icon. Click the link icon between the 2 thumbnail of the background copy. And make sure the layer thumbnail, not the mask, is selected. Press Ctrl T to select the free transform tool, right-click and choose the flip vertical. And drag it down. Hit Enter or Return when you're finished. Press Ctrl G to group several layers into a folder group. Go to Select and choose the Load selection. Click the channel and choose your save selection. And click OK. Click the Add Layer Mask icon. Click on the adjustment layer icon and the Choose Gradient Map. Select the layer thumbnail of Gradient Map layer. Click on the Clip to Layer icon. And click to edit the gradient. Open the Basics group icon and choose the foreground to background. Double-click the white color stop slider. In the color picker, pick the darkest color of the new image. And click OK. Double-click the black color stop slider. And pick the brightest color of the new image. And click OK. And decrease the opacity of Gradient Map layer to 30%. And this is the result.